everybody, my name is Shem So today I'm talking about birds. Birds are different kind of animals. They are not like a mammal, fish or reptiles. It's one type of bird. Birds they have feathers, and feather is very light. And birds they have many colors in this feather, and they have a size, and so they can keep them warm and to have a bird fly in the sky. Birds have many sizes. Some birds is small, and some birds is very big, like an eagle. Some birds have feathers. It cannot fly. It's like an ostrich. It cannot fly. But they have another types because they run fast. Birds, they cannot run fast, but an ostrich, they can't. Another is a penguin. Penguins, they are birds, but they cannot fly, but they can swim. Or you go in the forest, you can't see many birds. They are in a tree with many colors in birds, like a parrot, like a fly birds, and many birds. Some birds they can make music. When you go in the forest, you can hear many sounds. Birds, they are lay egg. Sometimes they are take a hole. They dig a hole to put the egg in there, like an ostrich. But sometimes they are build a bird. They can fly. They build a nest. Some birds build in the mountain, and some birds build in a tree. Birds, a penguin, they're amazing because an egg, they're put between their feet and they go to keep an egg warm. And they lay the egg in a hard cell, very hard to protect. And they lay in a nest or in a hole on the mountain or in the lakes. And they have someday they are black. And they are not as beautiful birds. They are very not beautiful. And when another they grow, they are very beautiful. Because they are small, they cannot be beautiful. But when they grow, very beautiful. A baby's birds come out of the cell, and they're ready to hatch out of an egg. And they have another to grow, like ostriches. They cannot fly, but are babies. It's 1 year or another month, and they grow. Some they can run or they can fit our baby. Very good for baby ostriches. And birds, some birds they are eat, and birds they are eating mouth of a mother bird. And father birds they fly to take a worm or little insects to feed a little bird, or sometimes in mothers. Today I'm talking about bird. Sometimes I can catch a bird and I pet a bird in my cage. And sometimes I feed it with a little worm or insects, or sometimes a rice. And thank you for listening.